Views and more views. You'll experience this and more at 115 Saligugi Way in beautiful Tellico Village. This lakefront estate on year-round Tellico Lake offers 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths for a total of over 4,000 square feet of luxurious living area. Virtually all windows offer an excellent view, beginning in the great room on the main, featuring 3/4-inch hickory hardwood flooring. This in your chef's kitchen has benefited from a custom remodel. With a wealth of cabinetry, center island for ease and meal prep, countertops of soapstone and Carrera marble, and new appliances, cooking will certainly be a pleasure. Entertaining was never so much fun. The formal dining room is framed within a wall of glass, designed to accommodate an extra-large table. All your bedrooms were designed to provide the comfort and privacy all your family or guests deserve. The master on the main looks out on and easily accesses your private deck. And the main deck is new composite construction. With tremendous space, downstairs is full of possibilities. With a complete kitchen, it could be a separate living area. On this quiet lake cove, your boat dock sports a new lift. It's perfect for taking your boat to the Yacht Club for dinner or exploring the Tellico waterway. 115 Saligugi Way in Tellico Village could very well be your next estate, and it's one you must see. Call Tim or Ron of Tim Kukla at Smoky Mountain Realty direct